Do you want to get ahead of 99% of people in just 6 to 12 months? Imagine the possibilities if you could leapfrog ahead of the vast majority of people in less than a year. It's a tantalizing prospect, isn't it? Well, we're here to tell you that it's not only possible, but it's also within your reach. It's all about tapping into the incredible potential of personal growth and harnessing the power of consistent self-improvement. In this video, we're going to break down this ambitious journey into manageable, easy-to-follow steps. We're not talking about quick fixes or magic solutions here. No, we're talking about practical, tested strategies that, when applied with intention and consistency, can truly catapult you ahead. We're going to delve into the power of setting goals, the importance of self-education, building habits for success, and overcoming challenges. So, are you ready to take control of your life and skyrocket your success? Every journey starts with a destination in mind. Imagine embarking on a road trip without a destination. You'd just be driving aimlessly, wouldn't you? The same principle applies to our personal and professional lives. Without clear, measurable goals, we are like travelers without a destination, wandering aimlessly through life. Goals are our guiding stars. They give us direction, providing a clear path to follow. They help us focus our energy and efforts on what matters most. When we set our sights on a specific objective, we can channel our resources and energy towards achieving that goal. This focus helps us avoid distractions, keeping us on the right track. But goals aren't just about providing direction. They also serve as a source of motivation. When we set a goal, we're not just deciding on a destination, we're also making a commitment to ourselves. This commitment fuels our determination and perseverance, driving us to overcome obstacles and keep pushing forward, even when the going gets tough. It's a powerful force that can propel us towards success. Remember, it's not enough to just dream. Dreams are abstract, intangible. They're like clouds, beautiful to look at, but impossible to touch. Goals, on the other hand, are concrete. They're like mountains, challenging to climb, but with a clear summit to reach. So, how do we set effective goals? Start by making them specific and measurable. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," say, "I want to earn a promotion to senior manager within 2 years." This gives you a clear target to aim for, making your goal more tangible and achievable. Next, make sure your goals are realistic, but also challenging. They should push you out of your comfort zone, but not to the point of being unattainable. Striking this balance can be tricky, but it's crucial for maintaining motivation and momentum. Finally, remember to break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the journey less daunting and more manageable, allowing you to make steady progress towards your ultimate destination. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So set your goals, make your plans, and start your journey to success. Knowledge is power, and self-education is the key to unlocking that power. In a world that's constantly changing, standing still is the fastest way to fall behind. To stay ahead of the curve, continuous learning and self-education become not only beneficial, but necessary. Imagine, if you will, a vast library filled with books, each one representing a different skill or piece of knowledge. Every time you learn something new, it's like adding a book to your personal library. The more books you have, the more resources you can draw upon when you need them. This is the essence of self-education. So how do we go about adding those books to our library? One of the most traditional methods, and still one of the most effective, is simply reading. Whether it's a classic novel, a modern self-help guide, or an in-depth technical manual, every book you read broadens your horizons and expands your understanding. But don't just read passively. Take notes, reflect on what you've learned, and try to apply it in your everyday life. But books aren't the only source of knowledge. The digital age has brought with it a plethora of online resources. Webinars, for instance, provide an interactive platform where you can learn from experts in various fields. They offer a more engaging alternative to reading, allowing you to ask questions and participate in discussions. And then there are online courses. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer thousands of courses on a wide range of topics. Whether you want to learn about psychology, finance, or computer programming, there's likely an online course for it. These courses often come with assignments and quizzes, providing a structured learning experience that can help you master new skills. But remember, self-education isn't just about consuming information. It's about understanding, applying and integrating that information into your life. It's about becoming a lifelong learner, always curious, always growing. Because as the saying goes, the more you learn, the more you earn. Success is not a single event, but a series of small actions. Just as a house is built brick by brick, success is built habit by habit. And here's the beautiful thing about habits. They are the autopilot of our lives. They can either steer us towards remarkable success or divert us into the realm of mediocrity. Now let's dive right into the heart of the matter. Habits, in essence, are patterns of behavior that we repeat so often, they become second nature. The power of habits lies in their ability to automate our actions, freeing up our minds to focus on other tasks. Think of it as having a personal assistant who takes care of the mundane, routine stuff, so you can concentrate on the big picture thinking. But here's the catch. Not all habits are created equal. There are positive habits that contribute to your success, like waking up early, reading daily, or exercising regularly. Then there are negative habits that can hinder your progress, like procrastination, overindulgence, or spending too much time on social media. So, how do we build positive habits and break negative ones? Let's start with the former. When it comes to building positive habits, the key is to start small. If you want to start reading regularly, don't aim for a book a week right off the bat. Start with a few pages a day and gradually increase. Now, for breaking negative habits, the process is a bit more challenging but equally rewarding. The first step is to recognize the habit. From there, understand the trigger for that habit and then replace the negative action with a positive one. For instance, if you find yourself reaching for your phone every time you're bored, replace that action with picking up a book or going for a walk. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your habit for stress. It takes time, patience, and consistency. But once you've built these habits, you'll find that they serve as the stepping stones to your success. So let's start building. Change your habits, change your life. The road to success is often paved with challenges. It's like trekking up a steep mountain. The air may get thinner, the terrain rougher, but with each step, you're closer to the summit. Challenges are an undeniable part of life and success. They're like the plot twists in a good story, taking us by surprise, testing our mettle, and ultimately shaping us into better versions of ourselves. But how do we overcome these challenges, these plot twists? Well, the key lies in two crucial elements: resilience and a positive mindset. Resilience is our capacity to bounce back from life's setbacks. It's like an elastic band. The more it's stretched, the more it rebounds. Resilience isn't something we're born with, but a skill we can cultivate. It's about adopting a growth mindset, seeing failures not as dead ends, but as feedback. It's about being steadfast in the face of adversity, maintaining our focus and determination, even when the going gets tough. Pair resilience with a positive mindset, and you've got yourself an unbeatable combo. A positive mindset is not about ignoring the negatives or pretending everything is rosy. It's about acknowledging the situation, understanding the difficulties, yet choosing to focus on the possibilities rather than the problems. It's about believing in your abilities, your potential to overcome, and your capacity to turn challenges into stepping stones towards success. Think about it. The greatest achievers in history, those who've left an indelible mark on humanity, they all faced challenges. But they didn't let these challenges deter them. Instead, they used them as fuel to drive their ambition, to push their limits, and to carve their path to greatness. Remember, The size of the challenge doesn't matter. It's your attitude towards it that counts. So the next time you face a challenge, don't shy away. Embrace it, learn from it, grow with it. Because at the end of the day, the sweetest victories are those that demand the greatest efforts. Challenges are not obstacles, but opportunities for growth. So, let's face them head on and turn them into stepping stones towards our success. Success is a journey, not a destination. Remember that as we wrap up today's discussion. We've explored the power of goals and how carving out a clear vision can propel you forward. Self-education, too, is a vital component of this journey. Expanding your knowledge and skills can open doors and elevate your potential. We also underscored the importance of building success habits. These are the small, consistent actions that accumulate over time, creating a ripple effect of positive change. And let's not forget about overcoming challenges. They are not roadblocks, but stepping stones to your growth and development. Now it's your turn. Implement these steps, start setting goals, invest in self-education, cultivate success habits, and face challenges head-on. Remember, you have within you right now everything you need to deal with whatever the world can throw at you. Start your journey to success today. The only thing standing between you and your goal is the story you keep telling yourself as to why you can't achieve it.